Hi everyone, how are you all doing? This is Saurabh here, and today I would be taking your session on SAP Joule. Now, all of you might be very much aware of the new buzzword which is generative AI or Gen AI, right? And you might be hearing a lot of terms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Vertex AI, Llama models, RAG-based systems, and GAN-based systems, right? Now, SAP is another organization who has been not behind, far behind in this entire race for generative AI offerings, and it has come up with a new generative AI tool which is called as SAP Joule. Now, we'll spend some time to understand what is Joule, how it is different from the other components, what are some of the features, and how it works in the SAP set of products. Now, Joule is the generative AI assistant from SAP. Primarily, it is being developed with a key focus on simplifying and streamlining the task across the SAP technology suite of products like SAP Analytics, SAP ERP solutions, SAP data related solutions as well. And what it does, it also provides users with intelligence insights, custom tailored outcomes, and also an overall SAP personalized SAP experience so that users are able to get a better control over the entire decision making process. Now, when Joule was developed, primarily SAP emphasized a key focus on data governance and data privacy and data quality aspects as well, so that we can make it safer as compared to the other generative AI applications which are out there in the market, it being a differentiating factor for SAP Joule. Now, you guys might also be wondering that why the word Joule, and what has been the thought process for SAP. Now, the word has basically come up from the 19th century physicist and mathematician whom we all know as James Joule. And he has been famous for a lot of things like for the law of thermodynamics, the Joule's cycle, the Joule's expansion, and the Joule's first and the second law, which we might have all studied in our school days, right? So I think SAP came up with the world and thought of using Joule as a right word because primarily, this is a word which gets associated with innovation, with associated with intelligence, right? And that is the keyword which SAP found was a more apt for their product. Now, what are some of the key features of, or what are some of the key conversational patterns which Joule supports? Now, Joule offers different conversational interactions between humans and the computers. At the same time, it tries to simplify the access to information and it will also try to automate a lot of these business processes. As a result, it will also try to improve the employee and customer satisfaction. Now, there are three conversational patterns which Joule primarily supports. First being navigational type of conversational pattern, which will help the users to navigate to the functionality and what they are looking for. The second being transactional conversational pattern, which will assist users in different efficient completion of their different tasks. Third being the informational conversational pattern, which will basically help the users retrieve the information from the different existing documents. Now, what is the environment which Joule currently works on? So, Joule primarily runs in any of these SAP BTP business transformation and platform environments, such as Cloud Foundry, Kaima, Kubernetes, and some of these other cloud platforms, SAP platforms. At the same time, Joule is also a multi-tenant application and it will support multi-tenancy. What is multi-tenancy? So multi-tenancy means that different consumers are independently provisioned and the data from all these consumers is isolated inside Joule. Now, what are some of the key features which is there with respect to SAP Joule? So, firstly, being integration with the SAP applications. So, conversational user interface is integrated with the SAP applications. It is a rich web client that will also render assistant responses using the SAP Fiori compliant UI controls as well. Second being the enterprise readiness. So out of box integration with SAP back systems is also one of the key feature. At the same time, it also supports compliance with the AI ethics, GDPR, and some of these privacy and governance regulations. Third being publishing and subscribing mechanism, which capabilities which will be based on your SAP solution portfolio, which are bundled into the unique assistant. And fourth being automatic updates. So automatic updates are, automatically are installed and deployed wherever the capabilities are gets added or changed. Now, what are some of these business benefits that SAP Joule provides? The first is faster work. So you would be able to streamline the task with an AI assistant that will basically know what is your unique role and acts as your co-pilot across your SAP applications. Second being smarter insights. So you would be able to get quicker answers and smart insights on demand. It will also try to facilitate faster decision making without any kind of bottlenecks. Third being better outcomes, right? So you can just ask and get some excellent content for the job descriptions, coding assistance, and some of the other use cases as well. Fourth being full control. So you would also be able to maintain full control over the entire decision making process and your data privacy while you are able to access generative AI in a very safer environment. So thank you everyone for coming and being a part of this session. I hope we keep on adding more sessions. Have a nice day and enjoy the sessions. Thank you.